going to show you how to attach the twisted fringe onto the bottom edges of your poncho. You could work another round for the border here. I haven't yet, but I'm thinking I might, but I'll just show you how to attach. So you would cut your strands for the fringe approximately anywhere between 22 and 24 inches in length. I like to double them, and then you just I put them probably about 2 stitches apart. Let's see if I can do this while I'm looking through my camera. So you just pull the end through like that, make sure their tails are even or relatively even, and then you're going to start twisting them. So you're going to twist them both in the same direction. So let's say you're twisting to the right, and you just keep twisting and twisting. It's kind of looking weird, but that's how it works. And then if you let them go, you'll see that they sort of bunch up on each other, and that's what you want. And then, so now you pinch the two ends together, like, it's kind of hard for me. Pinch the two ends together and then twist them to the left. And it's going to make a nice little spiral here. And you just basically, I like to eyeball it and see if it looks approximately the same as the other one, as far as how much it's twisted. And then you just take the ends and make a knot in it. Pull that through, and you can trim all those even at the end. And there it is. It's really quite simple. You can use 2 colors, 1 color. You can, you know, whatever you like. So, and that's the twisted fringe.